Good morning, guys. It's your boy, aka KD. Yeah, Muforo Money. Yeah, KD. So, this is my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to remove your background using Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop CC 2017. Yeah, that's the one I use. So it means you already have it in your PC. So you just open it. This one is 90% obvious. People understand. Sure. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's remove the background. New file, you open your Photoshop, custom. If you are a beginner, it's meant for a beginner. Yeah. Then you go for a folder in Photo Rachel. Then you drag and drop on click of Photoshop. Then you drop it here in Photoshop Marco. Then you say okay. So to resize it, no press a Control T. Then you press out for resize a picture yako kuita umbekana diki stress so kuda until like this, and then I want it like this. What okay? Then uchinda unoita quick selection. Pane paka quick selection 2. Hapa ndipo unaona klika pane positive na negative. Positive add selection, negative is subtract selection. So nono clicker on a positive, then make sure kuti on the layer side kuno kune background chichi waka select pa picture rako rawaisa rangu irakato DSCN what zitare background. You can even double click on the picture rako, then onyora kuti model. Yeah. So waka select up a model layer, so we'll select a quick selection 2, you end up a positive, then not anga select your model, which is here background. So yes, you can see no kuti pane panda select up pandis recorder nepamwe panda pandisina kuselect as pandis recorder. So you say Control T to zoom in. Then do add aba pandro kuda papasara this part ne part yenzeve here yange yasara, and I want it in the picture. When I remove the background, I want that part to remain. So ndo inda pa minus subtraction, tuta minus pandisi recorder again. Pandisi recorder, I don't want this part, so I have to subtract it. What else I have also want to remove this part. You use mouse on everything. It's not that hard. I might not be a good teacher, but at least if you're following along nicely, I think it's just an easy thing to do here. So wapedza kudai, so uchonati pese pauri kuda pavapo unobva wapresa Control 0, and then inobva pano mawindow yako, then uboti layer, new layer, what via copy. Unaona kuno kuma layers kwathiwa neyakanzi model, then koita yakanzi layer 1. You see? So izvoti ukaita this ukadzima pachisiso panotekaita ikasiso ukakapresa ukaita off, layer yako inobva yadini yasara iri bow yauri kuda yawaselect isina background. But ukaita Control T kuzuma in again, you see kuti picture rako raba background but arinonyazomira zvakanaka like apa here. You can see kuti rakakatika even mumusoro uona kuti pasara kuti magreen to background here. So in I like to use eraser, ndo iri quick and easy. Ndinotanga kuti kubvisa zvinhu zvazvasasa uchidelete using eraser. Saka zvezvinodependa kuti une time yakawanda sei kupedza uchiita zvese izvi, because kana ukatorawo time yako uchinyatsoita zvinhu zvakanaka, nokuti you can resize razor kuchiita chidiki uchipinda pamwe pane pasingazi, pane pakaitawo patikitiki kana kuti pakadii waisiya. I'm just showing you how to do it, so it won't be that big. Kana ukakanganisa unoita control Z kudzosera part yaunenge wabvisa. Let's say ndadai so ndabvisa pandisiri kuda, ndairesa pandisiri kuda, you can say control Z podzoka, so it's actually fine kuita mistake. Just try to make nice. You can resize your brush here if you want it big, small, depending on what you say. Yeah, for a case of 13. For 13 now. Yeah, I think that's much better. That's much better. Yeah, much better. On this side. Yeah. Yeah, I think bonded control O again. Let's talk kunoko. Saka, this is how you do it, guys. Don't mabvisa unoita background pabig. Kana uchida kuedda unokwanisa kuyangozo klika pakanzi background apand. Rakaloka, so it's fine. Then over click up here. Uenda paka solid color. Then wotanga kutesa color yako kuda background kana uchida kuchinja ukala. That's basically how you change background. Thank you very much for watching.